Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? Hey, it's Mandy and I'm with Gwen's Foxiness, and I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and we are going to take some plain Jane kitchen towels. These are actually Peppered Chef, but how many times do you go to like TJ Maxx or a place like that and find a really good deal on kitchen towels, but they're just plain Jane? So we are going to take these little transfers. Aren't these cute? These little Farmhouse transfers. Let me see if I can get them all in the picture here. And make some cutesy little tea towels for your kitchen or as a gift. Or, I mean, guys, these would make, there's 12 different designs here, and you can use each one 12 times. So you could really make some really cute Christmas gifts just with this little transfer. So this is our locally grown, and I've already used it a couple of times on different things. I've made some little cute mugs, some other kitchen towels. I'm trying to think what else. Just some home decor, because you can use them on fabric, you can use them on ceramics, you can use them on wood, chalkboards, obviously. So thanks for joining, guys. And if you're if you're joining me on the replay, just type in replay. Let me know you're here. Give me some likes, guys, if these are kind of projects that you guys are looking for, so I know to bring more. So this is actually right here is our ink mat, and guys, it just kind of helps. It's sticky, so whatever you're working on, it just kind of helps keep it in place and gives you a hard place. Hey guys, thanks for joining. So we're going to, I'm just trying to make sure I get you know, a place that's centered and not kind of way out there. But this one, of course, is going to be another easy and fast one. But even if you get a really, you have like a favorite kitchen towel, but it gets a stain on it, why not just put a little design over it? Guys, we have like over 250 designs, and they all work on fabrics and ceramics and wood and all that good stuff. So if you guys ever have questions, just let me know. You can shoot them down in the comments and I will certainly get to you, or you can send me a direct message and I will definitely respond. But sometimes Facebook acts up a little bit, guys, so if I ignore you in the comments, I'm not getting notifications that people are commenting. So it's not that I'm ignoring you, it's that I didn't know that you actually put something down there. But I'll get back to you. And if I don't, you know, just send me a direct message. So this is actually our inks, guys, our chalk ink, Chalkology ink. And it's different in the fact from our paste because it is permanent. So once I get this on here, I'll put it on just like my paste with the squeegee. But once I get on here, guys, I actually heat set it, and that way I can wash it in my with my regular clothes, just like I would my regular towels. Okay, so there's no, once you've heat set it, you've set it permanently, and it just becomes like a normal piece of clothing. So the only thing you have to do from then on is just follow the instructions of the actual garment or the towel. But to heat set it, you have two choices. You just take a plain Jane handheld iron, and on medium heat, and you'll want to put some parchment paper, just like waxy stuff. You'll want to put that over the design. Once you have the parchment paper over it, take your medium heat iron and iron it on the front for 4 minutes and iron it on the back for 4 minutes. And you want to move your iron around so you don't burn the actual garment. So you'll do the front and the back for 4 minutes. And then that's it. It's heat set. You also kind of want to make sure you don't have it on your fingers when you go to lift this up, because you'll get it on the rest of you'll get it where you don't want it. So I just got some Lysol wipes here, which are, you know, at this day and time are considered a gold mine. I actually bought them way before anything ever started, so they've just lasted me a while. Okay, So I'll take this up, guys, and let me see if I can turn it around so you can actually see it come up. And I'll go slow because if I miss the spot, guys, I'll be able just to take it back down. And there's my daily right there at the very end. Needs a little refresh. So going slow, guys, you can just put it back down and put some more ink on it. Whoop. And wipe your hands again. Let me see if I got it this time. Perfect. Okay. Just like when I use my Chalkology paste, guys, I will take this to the sink and I'll wash it just with cold water, let it dry, and then I'll put it back on the backer sheet with the shiny side and the sticky side together, okay? It's that simple, and you have a whole new kitchen towel that are handmade. And the way you get these like really clean and crisp design, guys, is there's actually silk screen in them. So, you know, most of the time you look at them and think it's just a stencil, but they're made out of like a fabric. And then, hold on, let me concentrate here before I get that a big old mess. Anyway, I think I've survived. Okay. So anyway, you want to make sure that I know what I was talking about. Does anybody else know what I was talking about before I had my inking situation there? Oh, the silkscreen transfers. They're actually a fabric, guys, and they're washable just with water. So you can use inks and paste, and you get the same results. But the silkscreen is kind of like what you would use when you hear people say, "Oh, I make the silkscreen I make silkscreen shirts, t-shirts." It's kind of the same concept here. So let me get this off. They're sticky, so they're not, you know, going to go anywhere. So that makes it nice when you're working on projects. And let me kind of get this centered. I'm going to use the farm arrow on this one. I think this one's really cute. So it's probably one of my favorites. This one, and then there's one, I think there was one with the horse on it. Where'd I put that? This little horse is cute. I think I used that with one of our vintage truck one day. Really cute. Turned out really cute. So I think that's pretty centered. So the hardest part about this is just getting it centered, okay? That is the hardest part. Everything else Chalk Couture makes very easy for you. Okay, I'm just checking one more time. And then you're just gonna go over it with your ink and your squeegee. So throw out all those paint brushes. You don't need paint brushes with the Chalk Couture. Just make it easy, guys. I love doing this stuff, but I wasn't do I say smart enough, or do I say patient enough, or talented enough to use like the little machines that you can make the little stencils and stuff with. I just could never figure out like what was going to give me my actual design. So when I saw Chalk Couture the first time and saw it done, I was like, ooh, what is that? That's really cool. And my brain just started going in all the ways I could just use it, personally and in my business. And let me turn this around and give you so you can see it. But it makes life easy. And don't we all need a little break sometimes? So, and we have over, like I think I said earlier, like 250 designs to choose from. And we ship in the US and Canada. And there you go. It gets shipped straight to your door, so no going out and having to wear your mask. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not very good about wearing my mask. I think it's because I don't go out enough. I forget it and have to go back to my car all the time. Who's with me on that? So I'm just not been very good about going out, and it kind of ruins the whole joy of going out right now, having to wear that dumb mask. So it's necessary. I do agree that it's necessary. I just don't like to. it just I haven't formed a habit of it yet. So guys, I'll take this squeegee that I just used, the transfers, and I will take it to my sink and I'll just wash it off with cool water. I'm gonna let these dry fully, and then I will just take my parchment paper, like I said, and heat set it. So you can heat set it with an iron at 4 minutes on each side, or if you have a Cricut Easy Press, you heat it up to 310 and then do each side for 30 seconds, and that will heat set it. And once it's heat set, then you can wash it with your regular clothes. Just make sure you follow what's on the garment, okay? Whatever the garment says is the heat set or the washing instructions, that's what you follow. So that's easy peasy, and I thank you guys for joining me today. If you have questions, just let me know. I will be putting down the materials I used today down in the comments as always. If you guys are interested in a monthly craft kit, mine should be getting here any day now, so I can't wait to show you. I'm always excited about getting it each month, but it should be, anyway, type in club and I can get you the link for that and give you all the juicy details. And then if you're interested in doing what I do, guys, just type in join and I'll get you a link for that so you can read all about it. It's a lot of fun. It's a great community of girls that are, you know, you get all kinds of crazy good ideas that make you want to create even more. So, you know, anyway, just let me know. But is it Tuesday? Happy Tuesday, and I will look forward to seeing you guys again. Talk to you later. Bye.